Hey everybody, Joy here. Can you tell I'm in my other house? I'm in my house with fast internet. So I'll be making you probably quite a few videos while I'm up here in fast internet land. But, let me see, what's the date? What's the date? It's January 10. It's Tara Bear's birthday. Happy birthday, Terry. It's Terry's birthday. I gave her birthday presents yesterday before I left. And she's having a big party tomorrow because it's her 60th birthday. So she's having like a zillion people at her house. But anyway, I'm here. I'd rather see her by herself than with all those other people. She wouldn't even know I was there in the crowd. I came up yesterday with Lauren and Luke because Lauren and Luke were in Austin where her parents and her sisters and everybody are. And she showed me a little video from their news station down there, and it showed the trees, and it showed on top of the trees it looked like a sea of floating stuff. It was pollen, just a sea of it in the air, and she and Luke are both allergic to the pollen. She had a splitting headache. Luke didn't feel good. When he got home last night he had a fever. I hate that. Why are we all allergic to stuff that God made? I don't understand that. I feel like I'm allergic to this house. I keep sneezing and sneezing. All right, if I can get through this without a sneeze attack. Several of you have said you want to see everybody's pictures of their ABB tee with the Dondi collar. This is actually the actual Dondi shirt. There's not really a Dondi shirt. There's the Fit Nice System tee pattern, kind of like the ABB pattern, kind of the same thing. But Judy Kessinger, she's just brilliant at changing a simple pattern into a million different styles. She's really good at that. And so this is one of the styles she came up with. And I don't know if she saw it on a girl named Dondi. I think she actually did. Saw it on a girl named Dondi. And so she said, oh, I'm going to go home and make a pattern for that. And we'll call it the Dondi top. So that's how that happened. And you all said you wanted to have a hashtag over at Instagram. I have made one up over there. You can see it. I'll put a picture of it right here so you can see it up close. Okay, we're going to call it ABB Dondi Makes. ABB Dondi Makes. I didn't just want to call it Dondi top or ABB top because there's probably a million of those out there already on Instagram. Okay, so use that hashtag, go to your Instagram account, make sure it's not marked private, and for me, please put the top on. These tops don't look like anything on the hanger. But if you must do it that way, you have my permission. Not that you need my permission to do anything. But I really would love to see it on you. If you don't want to show your head, you're like under FBI protection or something, show it from your neck down. And show us your top. Show us your Dondi tops. I have a whole bunch of them. So I will take a picture. Lauren, I think, has 4 of them now. And she's supposed to come over today. But with the baby being sick, she may not be able to, but I'll be seeing her sometime this week or next week, and I'll have her bring all her Dondi tops, and we'll put them on and take a picture, put them on, take a picture, put them on, take a picture. So you can see beautiful Lauren in all of her Dondi tops. And remember, she made 3 of them herself. Brand new seamstress, I don't know if she's ever sewn. She bought a sewing machine, but she says she hates her sewing machine. It's just a cheap little one. She doesn't like it. So she likes to sew on my machines. But there's one more bolt of fabric that she chose, and so she's got one more top to make. So if we can get Daddy to watch Luke for a few hours, maybe we can get Lauren to sit down and I'll just show you how she sews the entire top from beginning to end. Okay? From unroll it from the bolt, cut it out, and sew that thing together. Okay? So that's my plans. I have plans for more tutorials. You seem to like my tutorial style. I don't know why. My camera work just is, you know, stick it on a pole and hope it can see something. But you seem to like my tutorial. So what I want to do next is Surefit Designs. You know I love, love, love Surefit Designs. I've been talking to Glenda. Glenda's wanting to give some prizes away. So we're talking about how we can do something together, and you all can learn how Surefit Designs works. And if you already own a Surefit Designs kit, I think what we're going to start with is pants. I think we're going to start with pants because I need some more pants, and the ones that I made before are a little bit baggy in the thigh area, and I'm wanting them to be more tight, more straight leg, but not tight at the ankle. Glenda Sparling is the one who owns Surefit Designs, and there's probably, I know there's definitely over 100, there may be over 200 videos on YouTube, and over on her website at surefitdesigns.com, S-U-R-E-F-I-T, Surefit Designs, D-E-S-I-G-N-S, surefitdesigns.com. Go to her website and look up, I think it says video library or something. You guys can click on stuff and find it. But there's just great, big, huge, long list of videos that you can watch for free on everything to do with the blouse, everything to do with the shirt, everything to do with the pants, everything to do with the men's kit. It's really amazing. You could watch her just day after day after day after day. That's what I did for almost a year. That's how I learned how to use Surefit Designs. So, not going to keep you. My nose is running like a sieve. Oh, I'm not in San Antonio. I'm in Edmond, Oklahoma. What am I allergic to? Oh my goodness. I did just take a DayQuil a minute ago, so hopefully it will kick in. And I take an Allegra every single day. I don't know why. I don't think the Allegra even likes me or works, but took my Allegra last night. I just now took a DayQuil. So hopefully my nose will quit running soon and my eyes will quit crying soon and I can get something done for you guys. All right, show me what you made. Show me your ABB tee with or without the Dondi neckline. One lady said, do we have to put the Dondi neckline in? Heck no. That ABB tee came with 3 different necklines and complete, total, fabulous instructions. Read the instructions. She tells you everything on how to make it and how to finish each neckline and all of that. So, I'm going to let you go, and I'll be back soon because I'm in fast internet land now. Bye.